Natural treatments to release headaches. Apply an ACV compress. Take 1/4 cup of ACV, roughly 3 glasses of boiling water and 1 cup of fresh cool water. Pour 1/4 cup of ACV right into a large bowl, after fill the bowl midway with boiling water. Convey a towel over your head in order it drapes within the bowl, trapping the steam, and hold the face regarding this. Make certain the face isn't so close it will get burned through the steam. Do this for 5 minutes, or once the water begins to cool lower, breathing out and in deeply whole time. When you are done, make use of the towel to pat the face dry, and go drink a glass of cool water. Peppermint oil. Combine 3 drops of peppermint oil in a single teaspoon of almond oil, essential olive oil or simply water. Massage your forehead and temples by using it. Or, place crushed fresh peppermint leaves in your forehead. Alternatively, you're able to make a steam treatment with the addition of a couple of drops of peppermint oil to some small pot of boiling water. Inhale the steam for a couple of minutes. Ice pack. Applying a cold compress to the rear of your neck can provide you with respite from a mere icy. You may also convey a clean cloth drizzled with ice cold water over your head for 5 minutes. Do this again several times. Alternatively, use a bag of frozen vegetables as a cold pack. Within 30 minutes you'll feel some respite. Munch on ginger root. Take 3/4 size slices of ginger root and a pair of glasses of water. Slice 3 slices from a bit of raw ginger root, with every being roughly how big 1/4. Lightly simmer the bits of ginger by 50% glasses of water, covered, for half an hour. Use something to get rid of the bits of ginger and transfer to glass, or you prefer, leave them in. Sip gradually and inhale the steam if you would like. Relax. Basil. Put 3 or 4 fresh basil leaves in a glass of boiling water and allow it to simmer for a couple of minutes. Optionally, give a little honey after sip the tea gradually. You may also boil 1 teaspoon of basil leaves or perhaps a couple of drops of basil oil to some pot of boiling water and thoroughly lean within the pot to take the steam. Alternatively, chew some fresh basil leaves or massage your forehead with basil oil combined with basics oil.